Yo, what's going on, fishing buddies? Recognize this guy?
What's going on?
Joe from Parabellum. I'm actually back there at the Charles F. Dodge Center for the Performing Arts, and my daughter has a dance competition, so Joe was cool enough to meet me down here, and we bounced around a couple spots and see if we can pick up some bass. So let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, let's frogfish. Now, who knows if there's anything in here? Did you get a hit? Oh, huge!
All right. Just saying. It's been a while since I got a peacock bass.
Is that a little peacock?
That's exactly what it is. World record smallest peacock bass.
World record peacock.
Actually, it's much bigger than you think. All right, well, you guys were asking if I catch peacock on my channel. Yes, I do.
That's a good sign.
Thanks, buddy. That's good B-roll. Oh, that's great B-roll. I love that. Broke off on a tree pounder.
Okay. Banger 110. See if I can get these peacocks here to play nice. I'm just letting it sink right in front of him. Here he is. Got him. Oh, he let go, son of a bitch. I am determined to hook this peacock. Here he comes, here he comes.
You can't tell from editing, but it's been like 3 hours on the same fish. Don't worry, I'll edit that out. Just catch it. I'm not gonna edit it out.
I'm acting like this is the only freaking peacock down here in Pembroke Pines.
Yeah, well, on a day like today, it might actually be.
It might actually be true. Come on. Come on. I see you. There we go. Oh!
I'm gonna try to wacky rig the small bass. They are not playing along today, that's for sure. Yeah. He's gone now, I don't know where he went. I mean, the water's cold. I'll slow it down, but I don't know how much slower I can get than a wacky rig. I doubt that's a bass, but it's freaking huge. I gotta try for it. I just hooked a giant tilapia. Did you? Yep. There's no way I was going to land him anyway. There's gotta be something hiding under all this, right?
Joe got one.
All right.
What'd you get him on, wacky?
Yeah, wacky rig. And he is, let's see, he might be slightly bigger than the peacock. All right, but it's a fish. And we haven't had one in a hot minute.
There we go. All right.
You got the skunk.
Got the skunk off. So I can catch fish. Well, a fish. Uh-oh, but I can't hang on to it. Huge. But I'll tell you what though, Joe. Sharks smell Gucci.
Sharks smell Gucci.
There we go. A little bit bigger fish, Joe. There we go. What do you think, man? Now that shark smell Gucci.
Absolutely.
Not bad.
Not at all.
I'd say what, maybe 2 pounds?
Probably. Definitely not bad for a little spot like this.
Heck yeah. He was hooked good. There we go. Slimmer, swimmer. Yeah. Oh, let's weigh him. What the hell? I'm curious. I'm gonna say probably 2. Yeah, probably 2. $2.8.
Nice. 2.5 pounds.
2.5 pounder.
Not bad at all.
Not bad. Now that shark smell Gucci. Cool. All right, buddy. Well, all right, guys.
We tried.
We tried.
That's how the game is played, you know? Sometimes you slay them, sometimes you don't.
Yeah, but Joe's shirt is the bomb.
This is going viral.
Yes.
Shark smell Gucci.
And that's why I kept saying it all day, because it does. Shark smell Gucci.
Very Gucci.
I had a great time, though, Joe. I appreciate you taking me out, showing me around down here.
Thanks for the shirt. I got one that looks just like this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Glad to give it to you, man. I really appreciate you
bro.
taking me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our shenanigans for the day. Don't forget, guys, to head over to Joe's channel, Parabellum Fishing. Like, subscribe, and share over there. Like, subscribe, and share over here. We'll catch you guys in the next one.
Later.